Okay guys, so it's been 2 weeks since my Carbon X application, and the day after that was the microgreen plus green effect. So then, like I've said already, it rained for like 4 straight days, like 2 inches a day. It rained for like 4 days, 2 inches a day, something like that. Which then it was immediately after I put down that green effect and microgreen. So a lot of that's probably basically gone. That was probably just a waste. But I decided I wasn't going to put down any more fertilizer until I could see the results of the Carbon X. Because it did rain for so long, but it rained 2 days after I put in the Carbon X, right? And then after that rain, I came in here and mowed, and it just scalped and it looked bad. So I just let it grow back up to 3.5 inches. Looks pretty good. Sorry for the wind. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now let's just take an overall look real quick at everything. So in terms of color, I'd say it looks good. I don't know how much of that is potentially the residual microgreen or how much of that's Carbon X. I think probably most of it's going to be Carbon X because that actually stuck around and hung out. And it looks pretty uniform to me. I can't really see how it looks on camera. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's move on to this side real quick. There we go. I'm in the shade now, so I can actually see it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And the way you can tell the difference here is, let's check out this line between my back and side yard here. So right over the fence. See that difference? It's a pretty big difference. And it's a little harder to tell with that, the dirt kind of there, but between the two sides, that's significant. Let me come over to this side between the front and the back, because this is going to have tall fescue right next to bluegrass. Okay, this side. Yeah, this side definitely is darker, 100%. Than that side. Yeah, there's no denying that. And I don't want to confuse people. This is tall fescue, this section. The rest is a mix of everything. And yeah, it's like 95 degrees right now. So I'm probably going to wrap this update here. Or rather, wrap up this update here. That's just purely the results of Carbon X. Well, like I said, it could be both Carbon X and microgreen plus green effect, considering the fact that the green effect and microgreen were put down and then immediately rained. I have a feeling that, yes, some of that stuff got in the soil and maybe did some stuff, but I think for the most part that stuff's gone. So I think most of that's Carbon X. It looks really good. I'm pretty pleased with it. Pretty pleased. I still got more, so I can still use it, although considering the heat and the fact that I don't have an irrigation system and I don't plan on whipping out a sprinkler anytime soon, I'm probably not going to use Carbon X. I'm going to use something else. Anyway, thanks for watching. Blah, 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 blah. See you next.